2021 Audi A6 luxury four-door sedan. Coming up on the holiday season here in 2021, one of the things you're going to be doing is shopping. Of course, holiday season simply means Black Friday, or nowadays anywhere near it. But you're going to be shopping, you're going to have your hands full. So one of the things I want to narrow in on is, what do you do to put those items in your trunk if your hands are completely full, you're carrying everything? Just as you just seen, I had my bag strapped on me, I had my drink in my hand, and in addition to that, my cell phone would have been in the other. So here's a convenient feature from Audi that you can use to get into your rear trunk area. So as I come to the back, you're going to pay particular attention to your four sensors, which are there. The two in the middle are what you want to pay particular attention to. So if I need to point those out, there, and there, and they fall on each side of your tag. So as you walk up to your vehicle, you have to have your key on you. And one thing I've learned about Audi is you have to have the vehicle turned off. Now, I don't know about doors open, I didn't do that, but the vehicle has to be turned off in order to do it. I just tried it a couple of times with the automobile running, my key in my pocket. It didn't work for me. So if someone knows otherwise, feel more than welcome to advise and show where it works consistently 100 times or even 10 times. But as I click here, you want to pay particular attention to the left of the sensor. So we just want to come here, and it's a kick, and the trunk releases. So you have full use of your trunk area, even if your hands are full. Now to close, you can do the same thing. So I'm going to come back here and kick there again, and the trunk closes, of course. Now I'm going to try the other side. Now you just seen the beep, and it beeped simply to let me know that it was locking the vehicle back. I'm not in the vehicle, it's going to lock it back because it can sense the key's not there as well. I'm going to kick on the other side. As you can see, it didn't do anything there. Going to kick dead in the middle, and it did happen there. And just in case I flip the camera up while doing it, we'll come back and show you there as well. And you can see where it's closing. And with most cars, you never fail. Just go to the right of your sensor, just off to the left of your tag. Now what I mean by that is, kick one more time. So that's going to close. As that closes, just off to the left of your tag, just kick to the right of your sensor here, and your trunk opens and closes. So hopefully you have enjoyed this quick look at the Audi A6 Quattro.